Hello friends, you are welcome to my channel. Today in this video we learn how to resize images in Photoshop without any effect on quality. So first of all, go to File, click on Open, select your image. Now go to Image tab and in here select image size. So its original size 640 for 26. We will resize it. And make the resolution 300. And from here select bicubic smoother enlargement and click on OK. So by this easy method you can resize and enlarge your image using Photoshop without effect on quality. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel.